Hello YouTube, Monkey See Monkey Review here with an exciting review and unboxing. And don't forget to stick around at the end of this video for information about the channel and an upcoming giveaway. Alright, let's get started. Today we have the Amazing Live Sea Monkey Ocean Zoo Aquarium from Big Time Toys. This kit comes with everything you need to get started growing your own sea monkeys. Here you can see the Ocean Zoo Aquarium itself. These come in a variety of colors, mine happens to be purple, and they're available online for about $10. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the package. World's only instant pets. Just add water. You can see the Sea Monkey logo right there, and the Ocean Zoo Aquarium. It's easy. Everything you need to hatch sea monkeys. And you can see the little sea monkey family right there. They look pretty happy. Moving on, let's take a look at the back. Alright, on the back you can see the logo there again. A little history of sea monkeys. You can pause that. Some illustrated instructions. Those are pretty nice. And then at the bottom you just have all the legal jargon and the amazing 2-year guarantee. Alright, let's go ahead and crack this open. Alright, there you can see the Ocean Zoo Aquarium. It's got the 4 magnifying glasses there on the front. Plain back, simple acrylic tank. And inside we've got our 3 packets and our feeding spoon. We've got our parts and supplies list. We've got our temperature and hatching chart. And we've got this colorful insert. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at our parts and supplies list. Alright, and they've got anything you could possibly want to keep your new pets happy and healthy. You can order extra food, eggs, water purifier. You can even get medicine and treats for them. You can pause that if you want to read any of it. And they even have the executive set for adults. Alright, on the back of that, you've got the order form, the amazing 2-year guarantee, and an order form for an official diploma of Sea Monkey knowledge. If you guys want to see me do that in another video, go ahead and comment below. And last, we have some information on sea monkeys. And a $1 bonus coupon there at the bottom. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's take a look at our hatching chart. Nice illustrated instructions. It shows to add 76-degree water, give it a stir, and wait 24 hours. And the sea monkeys need light to hatch. And then you can start feeding them on the 5th day. And on the back of that, we just have the time and temperature chart with some more comprehensive instructions. Alright. And then last, we've got our 3 packets. Alright, packet number 1 is our water purifier. This contains all the salt and minerals sea monkeys need to survive, as well as a few sea monkey eggs. get everything in frame here for you. Packet number 2 is the instant live eggs. And number 3 is the instant growth food. And packet number 3 is the growth food. Alright, let's go ahead and set this up. To set this up, you're going to need 10 ounces or 300 milliliters of distilled water. You're going to take your water and just simply add it to the tank. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and add packet number 1, the water purifier. And we're going to go ahead and give that a good stir. You can use a spoon. I happen to have an Aqua Leash here. Alright, and the reason the instructions say to wait 24 hours to add packet number 2 is to give the illusion of instant life, when in fact the sea monkeys that you're seeing are hatched from packet number 1, and the newly hatched sea monkeys from packet number 2 would be too small to see. So we're just going to go ahead and add packet number 2 right now. If you like, you can wait the 24 hours, but again, it's not necessary. Go ahead and give that a little stir. Alright, and that's how you set up your sea monkeys. Overall, I really like these kits. They're great for children or anybody with limited space, like those living in apartments or dorms. They're an ideal beginner pet because they're inexpensive, easy to care for, quiet, and you don't have to walk or clean up after them. And best of all, they come with a 2-year guarantee. The tanks are fairly sturdy, and I know from experience that they can last you years if you take care of them. I highly recommend you go out and pick one up. Alright guys, that's the end of my unboxing and review. I hope you enjoyed it. Now about this channel, I'll do my best to upload at least one video a week. You can expect to see reviews of various Sea Monkey kits, both modern and vintage, Sea Monkey accessories, and various other novelty pet and life science toys, like Triops, Keelyfish, butterfly kits, ant farms, and things like that. You can also expect to see updates on the kits we've unboxed here today, as well as updates on any future kits. To make sure you don't miss any of these great videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and check us out on Facebook and Twitter, links in the description. And if you have any kits you want to see me review, go ahead and let me know in the comments. And last but not least, I'll be doing our first giveaway once we hit 100 subscribers. I've got something really special planned, so again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Alright, this is Sea Monkey Reviews, signing